So first of all, we exhausted all of our opportunities with energy conservation and reducing our energy demand through our appliances. Then we moved secondly to our solar water heater, which dropped my WAPA bill yet an additional $60. And that's been great. We're never wanting for hot water. The only time we missed that was after Irene, when we were out of power for 3 days, and so we didn't have any electric pumping the water through that solar water heater system. So the next step was then to go to solar PV in order to generate. This system here will generate 2 kilowatts, and I'm hoping that that will give me about 13 to 14 kilowatt hours per day. And my demand at the house is 9 kilowatt hours per day on average, and then I use an additional 3 to 5 kilowatt hours per day for my electric vehicle. And so we'll be real close to satisfying all of my energy needs for the house, as well as for the electric vehicle, which is my commute vehicle for 7.5 miles one way or 15 miles round trip every day to and from St. Croix Environmental Association, where I work. So hopefully, once this is connected and we get the inspections by DPNR and WAPA, we'll be connected within the next month, and we'll start to see where hopefully my WAPA bill will be down to almost zero. The only thing I'll be paying for will be the $32 a month that I'm paying for the lease agreement on my solar water heater, and that goes over a 60-month period. My charge will be down about 30% down, so I got a 70% charge remaining in my batteries. Now I could get home, but I would be pushing it, because when the charge gets down below 40, 50, 45%, it really starts to bog down on hills. It just doesn't have the doesn't have the power. So and
then if you get stuck in traffic for some reason,
or take a go out of the way,
do a detour or something.
So like today I'll go from here to ag, and then I'll go to work, so it's going to be about a 10-mile drive getting there. So when I get there, my guess is my meter is going to be down about 60%, and it'll take me the rest of the day to charge that back up to have enough juice to get home.
Takes that. Well, these are what, lead acids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I got 6 lead acid batteries, 72 volts, and I will get. So I'll get to work, and it'll take me. With that, it's going to take 3 kilowatt hours to recharge it.
Okay.
So I'll put in about 3 kilowatt hours of juice, and so that's what, $1.30 for a one-way trip. And then coming home, I'll charge it overnight, and it'll take me the better part of the night to fully charge it for my commute in the morning.
Right.
And so now so doing that on WAPA, it would be it doesn't make any sense.
Right.
But doing it on solar, then my juice will be free from the sun.
Right.
Which is kind of the driver behind getting the solar panels, and we'll go upstairs on the roof and look at that.
Okay.
Get some folks pictures up there.